So there are two shortcuts that are useful for viewing your video preview in full screen in Premiere Pro. For the first one, make sure that you have your video preview panel selected, then press the tilt key on the keyboard. If you can't find it, is just above the tab key. Now this makes a video preview panel take up the whole screen. But let's say you want the video itself to take up the whole screen. Hit the tilt key again to go back to the default layout. Now use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus tilt to view your video preview in true full screen. To play your video back in this mode, remember that you can just use a spacebar, and to go back to your default layout, just press Ctrl tilt again. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, give this a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.